may I actually have this chance to serenade the Mackie and March, Mr. and Mrs. Presence, for this once in a lifetime event of their lives. I'm gonna sing Palagi by PJ Monterde. We are Royal Touch Catering Services. Please like us on Facebook, type in Royal Touch Catering Services. And check out my TV and film appearances at my hashtag #MaularMC. Best wishes, Marge and Mackie, from your Royal Touch Catering Services family. Yeah, let's go ahead, Mackie, Marge. Let's have some table hopping before we proceed. Belated happy birthday, Marge, from your Royal Touch Catering Services family. Best wishes, Mackie and Marge, from your team or Royal Touch family. Have a great evening, everyone. Magpakabusog ko kayong lahat. Hindi man araw-araw na nagkamali. Ilang beses na tayo humihindi. Di na mabilang ang ating nabuhay. Away pati natin na namamalayan. Tayo, ngunit sa huli, palagi babalik pa rin saya mo. Hanggang sa huli, palagi pipiliin kong maging sa'yo. Uri-uri man, nais kong malaman kung iyo ako. Palagi, nag-enjoy ba ang lahat? Malakas sa palakpakan naman kay Mackie March. Palagi. Kung balikan man ang gila, luhat lahat. Ikaw ang paborito kong desisyonan. Ang napaligiran namin ay ang gulo. Di mo